Did it affect, like, well, firstly, how much of your productivity improvement are you seeing within your company? And the second one is how much, I mean, obviously there's a group of people who are panicked about like, okay, this is going to destroy jobs and this is going to take away knowledge workers' job. And
Yeah.
probably the first one to go is the developer's job. So can you talk a little bit of both of those aspects?
Yeah. A couple questions there. I'll cycle through them. First, for productivity for our customers, what we see typically is that people start to use AI and they're a little bit skittish, and then they use it more and more and more over time. And so you start out, especially in enterprises, not a lot of adoption because they're scared. But then they take they take these big chunks and they start to add it, and then in the sort of think of it as like a funnel, and then people start to use it, and then you see acceleration over time of usage, and that I think it will be common in the enterprise. I mean, if you go back and read things like crossing the chasm and others, like we definitely have a chasm that you have to cross for many of these kind of features. So for different styles and companies and so on. So I believe that like getting people started with the basics and letting them learn how to use it, how an individual person can use it to be productive, that's sort of the key. And in addition, it's like a pipeline. You just keep adding more and more features so they can get more and more interested in it. For us, we have seen benefits, serious benefits, as most companies have, about using things like for our developers, like assisted tools. Like we started with GitHub Copilot. Cursor has been great.